Hi, Igoodsgh going here. In today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing of the Amazfit GTS. It's packed with an AMOLED screen, water resistant, it has a GPS, good battery life, and a whole lot of features. This is one of the best smartwatches you can buy. Let's break the seal and let's see what we find inside the box. Now there's a seal, the down button, we just break that, and then we now have access inside the box. Okay, so let's see inside. We have another white box. This is weird. Okay, I love the packaging though. Let's get inside the box. You can see how clean it looks. Inside we have the watch itself, and the first glance I must say it looks beautiful. It's super lightweight. Let's just put it aside. Let's see what else we find inside. Inside we have a manual. This is written in lots of languages on how to use a watch and everything you need to know, warranty and everything. Yes, and then there's also a charging cable. Now this it has this magnet that will hold the back of the watch, and then it will keep it steady without moving. So that's what we find inside the box. Now let's check the watch itself. Let's peel this off the screen. It's not coming out. Okay, let's try a different method. Okay, so with that peeled off from the screen, let's turn this watch on. And I've been using this particular one for a very long time. I have one that I'm actually using. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to educate you guys on what to expect when you buy one. This is one of the best smartwatches you can buy, and we'll be doing a full review soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Catch you guys in the next one, and